Hi. Today we're looking at how to install the IIIF Toolkit plugin in Omeka Classic.
This is Chapter 2 of the Omeka Classic Annotation Environment series.
That's right. Chapter 1 covered installing Omeka Classic itself. This chapter focuses specifically on the IIIF Toolkit plugin.
What does the IIIF Toolkit plugin do?
It enables IIIF image annotation within Omeka Classic, making it possible to build annotation environments for digitized cultural heritage materials.
Sounds like a key plugin for digital humanities work. Where do you get the IIIF Toolkit plugin?
From the Omeka plugin directory at omeka.org/classic/plugins/ifitems/. You copy the download link from that page.
Then download it directly to the server?
Yes. You navigate to the plugins directory, you get to download the zip file, and then unzip it there.
So the steps are, cd to the plugins folder, get the zip URL, then unzip.
Exactly. The example in the article uses version 1.1.0, but the process is the same for other versions.
After placing the files, what's the next step?
You go to the Omeka admin dashboard and click Plugins in the top navigation. The IIIF Toolkit will appear in the list.
Then just click Install?
Yes. After clicking Install, you're taken to a configuration screen, but the default settings are fine for now, no changes are needed there.
So it's a straightforward browser-side activation after the server-side file placement.
Right. Once installed, the plugin will be active and ready to use for IIIF image management.
To summarize, download the zip to the server's plugins directory, unzip it, then activate via the admin dashboard.
That's all there is to the installation. The next chapter covers registering a IIIF manifest, which is where you start actually working with IIIF content.
A concise two-step process, server file placement, then browser activation.